Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast. And I hope you had a great Wednesday. Big weather change today. We talked about it going back all the way to Monday. 20-degree cool down today. And we did see some high clouds. Lots of clear skies yesterday, but a lot of high clouds out there today. Some breezy conditions in some locations too. But boy, turning green. It's springtime. We're a few weeks into it and things are looking great around the Wenatchee Valley. Just some cooler weather and then maybe some nicer weather as we get later on in our forecast. We'll talk about that, but we do have a little bit of light rain to tell you about. This should happen for Wenatchee if we even get 1/100th of an inch here in Wenatchee. It'll probably be tomorrow, maybe into tomorrow night, and some of that will linger into Friday. Most of the heavier rain will be over in the Spokane and Coeur d'Alene, Idaho areas where a quarter of an inch and maybe a half inch of rain could fall, but we'll just see some light rain here in the Wenatchee area. 55, our official high temperature today, or unofficial I should say. We got up to 76 yesterday, so we almost broke a record. And look at today, 58 is our normal. We were at 55, so a big cool down. 73 our record, that was set in 2000. 45 degrees this morning to start our day. 38 is where we should be for this time of year, so still a little bit warmer overnight. 27 our record low, and that was set in 1975. 634 our sun came up this morning, and it goes down for us tonight at 734. Let's take a look now at what we can expect temperature-wise as we get you into Thursday. It's going to be and stay cool for tomorrow. 53 for Moses Lake and Ephrata, 52 in Quincy, and even 50 for Wenatchee, 50 in Eniat, and only 49 in Cashmere, 48 the high temperature in Leavenworth. So some locations could see temperature drop about 10 degrees below where we should see them for this time of year. Tonight, cloudy skies. We are beginning to see that area of low pressure just off the California coast bring some clouds our way. This is the cold front that moved through, and a lot of cold air behind that. Could see some west breezes tonight. Low temperatures primarily in the upper 30s. Getting into Thursday, this is where we'll see the messiness. Here's an area of low pressure and a lot of clouds throughout the northwest. A 60% chance of rain for us tomorrow. We're going to cool down too with a high temperature only near 50 degrees, and then things get a little better by Friday, at least temperature-wise. Still a lot of cloudiness in the Pacific Northwest. About a 40% chance of rain for our Friday. High temperatures a little better into those low 50s, and then the improvement begins as we get you into the upcoming weekend. Partly cloudy skies. You can just see the outer edge of an area of high pressure that will be moving our way. We're going to warm up on Saturday into the upper 50s, so it shouldn't be a bad way to start our weekend. Temperatures about normal. And then for Sunday, mostly sunny, maybe just a little bit breezy right in central Washington, but we'll continue with that warm up too. High temperatures right around 60 degrees to end our weekend. And then the really nice weather moves in, and that'll be on Monday. Mostly sunny skies. Here's the top of a ridge of high pressure that's beginning to build as we kick off our next work week. Going to warm up too with temperatures in the low 60s on Monday. Getting you to Tuesday, even better. Mostly sunny skies. There's that area of high pressure. Also a small area of high pressure in the Great Basin area. That's going to bring some of that desert warmth our way, and we're going to warm up Tuesday into the mid-60s. All right, your 7-day forecast at 37 overnight tonight, and then a couple of rainy days. We aren't expecting a lot of rain by any means here in the Wenatchee Valley. 50 for Thursday, 53 Friday, and then our weather gets much better. Pretty much a normal spring day on Saturday with partly cloudy skies and 59, and then it's back to the 60s Sunday through Tuesday. Our warm day being Tuesday with mostly sunny skies and 65 degrees. That's a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.